Use your multiplication facts to help you find these division facts. So if you have a look at the first division wheel, so dividing by 1, well, you're going to divide all those numbers in the second ring by 1. So I'm going to write out my 1s on the side, so I'm just counting in 1s. Now if I do 1 divided by 1, how many 1s go into 1? Just 1. What about how many 1s go into 6? So we can count to 6 and then work out how many that is. It is 6. Now let's look at our second division wheel. So we are dividing by 2 here. I'm going to write out the multiples for 2, if you think that will help you. And then if I start with 14 divided by 2, I'm going to find the 14. Okay, and I'm going to circle it. And then I'm going to find out how many 2s go into 14, and that is 7. Now let's look at 18. Now count 18. How many 2s is that? It is 9. So 18 divided by 2 equals 9. Now let's look at the third division wheel. So we're dividing by 3 here. Again, follow the same steps to work out your division facts. Or can you just recall your multiplication facts and use those without counting? Okay, so how many 3 is going to 21? 7. So 21 divided by 3 equals 7. Carry on with this for the fourth wheel and repeat this for lesson 2 and lesson 3. Can you write out your division facts, and can you find the link between your division facts and your multiplication facts? I am going to use the best up method to find the answer to these questions. So here I have 24 divided by 2. So how many 2s can we fit into 24? Okay, so I'm going to write out my 2s on the side. And then I'm going to look at the first digit. So how many 2s go into 2? Circle the 2, that is just 1. How many 2s go into 4? That's 1, 2. So my 24 divided by 2 equals 12. Now can you follow the same steps to find 36 divided by 3? Remember, this is the same as sharing 36 into 3 groups equally, or finding how many groups of 3 you can make until you get to 36. Okay, but we are going to use the best up method. You can compare with the other methods to see if you get the same answer. Okay, write out the multiples for 3. 1 3 goes into 3, and 2 3s into 6. So 36 divided by 3 equals 12. Now we are going to divide a 3-digit number by another number. So 633 divided by 3, we are going to follow the same steps. So write out the multiples for 3. Okay. Now how many 3s go into 6? If I circle the 6 and then count to that, it is 2. So 2 3s go into 6. Okay, and 1 3 goes into 3 and into the other 3. So 633 divided by 3 equals 211. Now we have 966 divided by 3. So I'm going to use the multiples again. I'm going to find 9. If we count from the beginning, that is 3 3s. 1, 2, 3. And again with the 6, that's 2 3s and another 2 3s. Now let's have a look at these questions. I've got 56 divided by 4. So the first thing I'm going to do is write out the multiples for 4 on the side. Now, how many 4s go into 5? Now you'll notice there isn't a 5 in my multiples. The 5 comes between the 4 and the 8. So we're looking at the number before the 5, which is the 4. Or you can draw out your 5 dots, and then we'll find how many circles of 4 you can make. I can only make 1. And the remainder there is 1. So there's 1 left over. So I have 16, and I can see that exactly 4 4s fit into 16. Let's try 54 divided by 3. Again, I'm going to start by writing out the multiples for 3. And you can see that our first digit 5 is not in our 3s. So we would look at the number before the 5, which is the 3, or you can draw out the dots, so 5 dots, and then find how many groups of 3 you can make. So you can make 1. I can't make another one, so it's only 1, and the remainder there are 2 left over. So now I have 24. 24 is a multiple, and if you count, there are 8 3s in 24. So 54 divided by 3 equals 18.